Hey everyone, this is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And in this video, I want to go over our plumbing rough-in man-hour calculator. Had a couple people ask me about taking a class because they were interested in, I was talking about, I guess in one of the videos, how you don't want to lose money on the rough ends. And there's a difference between your vertical measures and horizontal measures in terms of the man hours. And what I've created is this calculator just for rough ends. And I think this is something you want to get. If it's not already posted on our website, sfjohnsonconsulting.com, go to our homepage. At the very bottom, all of our marketplace links for each of the trades are there. Click on that. If you see it there, you'll be able to purchase it on the page. If not, just email us and we'll get it right over to you with the payment link. And so if you're a plumber, a GC, nowadays, everything, with the AI revolution, everything's so detailed, right? Everybody wants everything so detailed. And when it comes to your construction trade, you can't be detailed unless you know exactly how much time every scope, every line item in your scope is going to take. And so the man-hour calculators are designed to give you what you need in that way, so you're not cheating yourself out of your man hours. So join, like, subscribe. That's all I'm going to be doing, is uploading tools for you guys. There's a lot of self-performers out there that really are looking for this kind of content, and yeah, I'm going to provide it for you. So let's take a quick look at our rough-in calculator, and let's make it a little bigger. What are we doing? Okay, good. All right, the computer wants to let me know it's in charge. All right. Okay, so here we go. Plumbing, rough ends, fixtures, commercial. Okay, and just quickly look over here. You see how much time you're losing if you're not accounting for the rough-in cost. Okay, how many hours you're losing. And that's just your labor hours for just the rough-in. We're not talking about installing the fixture nor the finished trim, right? That's just the rough-in. Okay, and so we have it here for commercial, and then for commercial group rough-ins, back-to-back, that kind of thing, 3, like in a bathroom, high school, whatever. And then residential. And residential and commercial rough-ins are going to be made of, different components in terms of the plumbing, right? And so we want to make sure you are always, on point when it comes to determining that. So that is something you can get from us at any time at sfjohnsonconsulting.com. There are a number of different ones, that's just one thing. We have it for all of the individual how long it takes for individual plumbing fixtures. We're building on the list online, although we have it. As far as the links on the website, just email us and we'll get it right over to you. This is Stacy with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. Reach out at education@sfjohnsonconsulting.com.